So let's get started. So it looks like we've got the instructions manual. Yeah, don't need to read that, and this will really get stuck. It's looking pretty sweet. Nice little bag. Nice little logo at the top. Right, let's get this open. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, that's nice. So first impressions, that looks absolutely stunning. It's got the ability to wall mount it, cat cable it for your network, and obviously your power cable in the bottom, and on the top, play, pause, volume up, volume down, and I think if you tap it twice it will skip tracks as well, but that'll be later in the video. Oh, hello, that'll be later in the video. That is very, very heavy, but I expect that to be good quality. So let's see what else we've got. So we've got data cable. We want to plug this straight in to our network, to your Wi-Fi router. Brilliant that they put a nice flat cable. Very well thought. Good to hide. And then the power cable. So let's rig this up. See what we find. Yet again, look at that. Flat cable. Just so much thought has gone into this. Just look how neat and tidy that looks. Minimalistic that will be when it's sat down, you won't see anything. Very nice. Right then. So I've done this video here right by the plug socket, so we can plug it in and fire it up. So first things first, power light on. Okay, so we know it's on. Okay, so we're good to go. Right. All your music in one app. Play any song in any room. Set up new Sonos system. So click that. Create an account, sign in. Set up your Sonos speakers. Okay. So click continue. Standard setup uses your existing wireless network and is best for most users. Boost setup applies if you want to connect to Sonos Bridge. Well, I don't have a Sonos Bridge, we're just standard setup. You will set up your new Sonos products one at a time. Choose the Sonos player you want to set up first and follow instructions. Found one new player near you, white. Set up this player. To add your new player, you'll be guided through iOS accessory support. Go to accessory support. Okay, I was expecting this to be a little bit easier or quicker. So it's looking at my network. Okay, so that's my network, that's the speaker, so let's click next. Joining. so it's joined. Click done. Press buttons on play one, so volume and play and pause button. So volume and play and pause button. Get the noise to say that it's paired and connected. Getting confirmation on my phone. Connecting. Connection is completed. Flashing light on the top of there. You are now ready to choose the room play one will be used in. Okay, so let's click next. So what room are we in? Well, currently I'm in the kitchen, so we'll put it in the kitchen and click next. Would you like to add another player to your Sonos system? Not now. Privacy statement, yeah, no one reads that. Click next. Now I presume that this is doing a software update for the speaker as well. So we'll leave that there for a minute, let that do its thing, and just admire how good looking this bit of kit is. Now I've got the Bose Sound Touch 10 as well, and if I'm honest, the Sonos looks better, a lot better looking. But it's not all about looks, it's sound quality is what we want. And in another video, I will be doing a review of the Sonos Play 1 and the Bose Sound Touch 10 side by side, so we can tell the difference between the two. So you can make a good choice from my reviews. Okay, so updating your speakers, as I said. I thought it was updating the software on the speaker. So we'll just give it, says do not unplug it for 4 to 6 minutes. Okay. But it depends on how quick your internet is. Yeah, that's very nice. It's very, very nice. It's very heavy. It's heavier than the Bose. Not a lot heavier, but it is heavier nonetheless. Okay, it's finishing up. Your Sonos products are now up to date. Click continue. Registering. Tune your speakers. Custom tune your speakers with TruePlay so you get this great sound no matter where you place them. Continue. TruePlay tuning coming soon. Tuning is not yet supported for this iPhone. Okay. All your music on app, please add music. Right, okay, add a music service. Gotta love a bit of Spotify. Well, that was nice and easy. So let's just call that Sonos Spotify, done. Okay, so that should then, if I click on Spotify, but trust me, rubbish. Okay, so that's just come up to say, because I don't physically pay for Spotify and I use the free version of Spotify, that it won't allow me to play Spotify music. Well, I think that's pretty poor, but I know the Bose is exactly the same, but I can get around that with Bluetooth. So I can play music via Bluetooth on the Bose Sound Touch 10, whereas this doesn't do Bluetooth. So, not sure how I'm going to play my music now if I want to play Spotify on here. So let's see what else I can do. So we could go to tune in, radio, local radio, or music. Let's just pick music again. Let's just try anyone.
Welcome to Digital Hits 1.
The Sonos, the sound quality of the Sonos speaker is fantastic. It's really, really good. It's very loud. It does definitely fill the room full of sound. It just sounds great. But, there is a but. This bit of kit overall doesn't have the connectivity that the Bose has. The Bose has the Bluetooth music streaming. The Bose has the auxiliary input. Not that you're going to use that often, but every Christmas my wife has her iPod and she likes to play particular Christmas music. So she'll plug her iPod in, auxiliary port, into the back of the Bose and play all her music, and she's happy. If we only had the Sonos, we wouldn't really be able to do that. We could have to go into a radio station and pick radio, a radio station that's playing Christmas music, but it wouldn't give her the exact songs that she'd be wanting that are on her iPad. Or iPod, sorry. So, first impressions, the Sonos is fantastic. It sounds really good and it looks the business. It's going to look really nice in the living room. But connectivity lets it down. And I think that really, unless you're going to spend a lot of money buying more Sonos speakers and extra connectivity with the bridge, I think the way forward is the Bose. If you need those extra bits. If you just want to play music from your phone and you've got a Spotify account that you pay for, or you've got some kind of music streaming service that you pay for, then the Sonos, I think, is the better bit of kit, because it does sound that bit better than the Bose, and it looks a load nicer. The app is still a bit fiddly, I must admit. Compared to the Bose app, it is a bit fiddly. But overall, I really, really like the Sonos. And I can't rate it high enough, just except for the connectivity. So just think about that before you make your purchase. But you'll see my review in another day or two. I've got another review coming out with the Sonos and the Bose side by side, so you can see for yourself the difference. Thank you for watching.